at the Croydon train station, and we already have one approaching. This is a Northeast Regional 86. Nice! That was Amtrak 86 to Boston from Richmond. Next up is Northeast Regional 95 to Norfolk on the close track. Whew. Wow! This is Northeast Regional 182 to New York. This is Acela 2155 on the close track again. 2 times in a row. Woo! My goodness! Wow! This should be Amtrak 43, the Pennsylvanian to Pittsburgh. Oh, he was moving! Keystone 643 on the close track again. It's probably like construction or something going on because it's so hot today. Oh, we have a meet! 648 from the other side. Keystone 648 right there, and 643 over there. A little bit of a surprise. It's up to 1713 or 9713. Here goes 9713 off to Trenton. There should be SEPTA 9712 with a push-pull consist. was 9712. Temple. Northeast Regional 119 to Washington. Getting a lot of close track action today. Woo! Oh, nice! That had David L. Gunn. That was I think that had the first Acela 64 in it. There's like a special livery for it, I think. Nice! It's a surprise Acela. This could be an equipment move. I don't really know. But I think this has the Wicked livery on it. Like the little, like the ad. Woo! Yeah, let's go! Alright, here we are back at the Moreland Road crossing, of course, to end the day off with SEPTA 465 with the Reading Heritage Unit 293. Oh, SEPTA 465 to the airport with the Reading Heritage Unit.